Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Liz and welcome back to another Vlogmas. I know I'm not really like vlogging for Vlogmas, but I'm posting a new kind of Christmassy fun video every single day for you guys, so I think that counts, right? Anyway, today I am going to be transforming my coffee bar into a Christmas themed coffee and hot cocoa bar. It turned out really cute, so I hope you guys like it. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe. I would love to have you. And let's get into it. Alright, so I just got back from Target. I'll show you what I got. This is all for my hot cocoa bar. I got these cute little disposable Christmas cups. These were $3. I got some peppermint stir sticks. These were $1. I got different ones of these. These are each only $1. This is a marshmallow cocoa stir. Okay, so I got 3 of those, and then I got 2 of the peppermint chocolate ones. Also got some Christmas sprinkles. And then at Home Goods, I got some chocolate spoons. I also got this tray. This is a 3-tiered tray from Target. It was only $29.99, and I'm really excited to decorate this all nice and cute and Christmassy. Okay, so I picked up a couple things from the Dollar Tree to make my 3-tiered hot cocoa bar. So, let's see. And this is what I have to wear now that I live in a snowy place because I'm so cold. It's a good look, right? Anyway, so first thing I got some candy canes. I also got 2 little Christmas mugs. The first one is Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, and it's the red truck, which is super cute. Love it. And then I got this one, which just has a little gingerbread men on it, which I thought was really cute. I also picked up just this little snow globe that I'm gonna try to add as just like filler things, but it just says hope, and it's got a little Santa in there. It's super cute. And then I picked up just 2 of these little red sparkly bows. Also got just a little plastic container. I think I'm gonna put marshmallows in this. I also got this little Santa tin, which is super cute. And then a little Christmas tree. This is an LED light. It turns on different colors, so I thought that was really cute. I picked up just some red and white garland. And then this little penguin guy, which is really cute. And then Jeffrey threw this in because he loves penguins, and he was like, oh, that's so cute. This is a little Santa penguin. Okay, so this is how it looks before, and we are going to completely transform this space into a Christmas coffee slash hot cocoa bar. So I don't really have a plan. I'm just winging it, so hopefully it turns out cute, but let's get into it. I'm just going to start by clearing everything off, starting with a clean slate. So this is the new tiered tray that I just got from Target. It was $29.99. It's super cute. I've been looking for one of these for a while. So I kind of want that to be my main focal point. So I'm going to put that right in the center. So like I said, I don't really have a plan. I'm just kind of winging it. So I think I'm going to add this in the middle. Cute little garland. 2 new coffee mugs, which I think I'm going to add right in the front. So I kind of want one right here. And this guy I think is really cute. So I kind of want to add him on the top. And then these are those new cups, disposable cups. Just put those right on top so people can grab one of those. Okay, and then I have all these little stir sticks. I don't want to take them out of the packaging yet just because I don't want them to go bad. So I think I'm going to keep them in the packaging, but I do want to put them in this little jar, which is just going to go right here. And I think I'm just going to kind of fold the bottom like that. So when you see it, it's just like the cute top of it and you don't see the tag. Little jar, basically I just grabbed the jar, I put the hot cocoa in, and then added some stickers and a little bow, so that is going to go right in here. Okay. So I have a few very large marshmallows. I didn't grab the small ones, I just totally forgot, but that's okay because you can literally just pop like one of these in your hot cocoa and it's like perfect. So I'm going to take some of these and I'm just going to fill up a little mason jar. Cups, I'm just going to add down to the bottom. Just for extras. Now I'm going to take these little peppermint sticks and add them into another mason jar. So I have a cute thing of Christmas decorative sprinkles. I'm going to throw that in here. So I also have this little red ramekin and I'm going to put that over here in the back. And I'm just going to put a few little hot cocoa K-cups. So probably just like 2 or 3 just to have in there. Cute. Okay. So now I think what I'm going to do is I found this because the bottom is missing something. I found this little light up garland. So I think I'm going to try to put that in and see what it looks like. I am going to add my little chocolate spoons into this. So I'm going to take a little bow and a piece of tape. I'm going to take these little things, hook it on there, and then just tape the inside so no one can see the tape. Okay, and there we have it. I think this looks so cute. This cute little stocking that I'm going to put right here. Right here. I'm also just going to take a few of these little balls, kind of just lock them in here for added attraction. Okay, and that is it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you. Comment down below if you made a hot cocoa or a coffee bar. And yeah, I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye!